Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will guide you step by step process how you can transfer your Replit project files from your Replit account to GitHub repository. So let's get started. So now I will be creating a repository in my GitHub account and I will give the name Replit project transfer, and description you can put anything, make it public, read me off, no, okay. Create this. Okay, now we have created our repository. Now go to settings and developer settings. Now create tokens, delete the previous one, create new general new token classic. Okay, Replit account project. Expiration, give just 7 days. Select all of these things. Now generate token. Okay, and copy this token here, copy this repository URL here. Now we will give some commands here and we will transfer our website files to this repository, the new which we created. So now here you can see we have transferred all our website files inside the GitHub repository. So if you like this video, you can subscribe this channel as well, and I will always record this kind of valuable things for you. So thank you.